34-76. The Red Alliance lines up and fires a boulder in time. Goal of the tower. We've got a penalty being made
Red is
here in the midfield.
46-78, 36-76. That's 34-76.
Both alliances working
Blue.
to breach each other's defenses.
Oh my God.
46-78, so a little quiet over there. We hope they're okay.
51-50.
We've just been informed by the FCA that 46-78 was disabled because of their bumper. 46-13 comes up Blue Alliance.
Red 62, blue 59. Disabled because of bumper.
Blue Alliance looking to score the late goal, and they will look for it. Still a very tight match right now. 4 points separate the two. 16 seconds left to go. The ball game. There's about a 6-point difference right now.
Shooting over the top.
Alliance robots fling yet another boulder into the blue tower.
Blue
Here comes
46-13.
34-76 jumping over the rock wall. Coming back to the middle, look for boulders to go back and shoot again.
Red 77, blue 75.
40 seconds left to go in the match. Still just a 2-point game right now. And 34-76 fires and hits that high target on the tower of the Blue Alliance. 30 seconds left to go in the match. All three blue robots have possession of a boulder. 2 of them just rolled them in, scoring for the blue. 1 point separates them with 18 seconds left to go. It's going to come down to this final end game. Who can score the last points? Who can challenge the tower? We've got all three blue bots on the challenge platform. 34-76, Red Alliance. It looks like they've lifted up high enough in 2 seconds. 1.
So no challenge point.
Stand by for the final score.